Poonam, we've got Suyog who's joining in, Suyog Kulkarni who's joining in from Reliance Securities. Suyog, thanks so much for taking the time. As Poonam was just pointing out, on the revenue front, even on the PAT front, it seems to be a bit of a soft quarter. This was to be expected, but would you say that the positive is that the management has retained the margin guidance and has kept revenue guidance at double-digit growth for the rest of the financial year? What are your initial takeaways from the numbers that have come out?
Thanks, Alex. Good. So on HCLT result, numbers are below our expectations in terms of the revenue growth, in terms of EBIT margin also it's below my expectation. But the positive part is that there are good deal wins. Secondly, management has retained the guidance. We were expecting the revenue guidance. They will provide a numerical guidance number also. They haven't provided. And as you highlighted, the softness is driven by product and platform business largely and IT services business. The company has already highlighted the weakness in product and platform business during this year, and the company is positive on engineering and R&D services. So see, softer quarter, but company has maintained the guidance of double-digit revenue growth. There is a good traction in engineering R&D services, and if you just compare on terms of the valuation versus the peers, stock is quite cheaper in terms of the valuation versus large caps.
So yeah, this is Poonam here joining in. So you are mentioning the valuations is cheaper, so it's trading around 17 odd X. But what is the target price that you're working with on HCL Tech? After looking at the numbers, more importantly, so would you be going ahead and revising your estimates there, because on the overall result, it's definitely softer than expectations, but the only good thing is that they have retained the guidance so far.
We'll check our estimates post the management conference call. But in terms of revenue growth, it's lower than expectation. But the positive is management has retained the guidance. So we are anyway expecting a lower double-digit revenue growth. And in terms of the deal wins also, deal wins are up double-digit on year-on-year, and last year exit was also strong. We will be the interesting part will be the clarity on the product and platform business, or they have highlighted the revenue growth and some clarity over the margin guidance. So that will provide some comfort and some visibility to my estimates.
Thank you so much for joining in and for giving us your initial views. Poonam as well, thank you so much for putting things in context. Of course, we'll wait for a little bit more information once we manage to speak to the management. But on that note, we'll take a short break. On the other side, we've got a lot more on The Money Show, so do stay tuned.